Hi guys, today we are going to teach you how to make Ku Kueh. It is originated from the southeastern coastal province of Fujian, China. For the Chinese, the tortoise is symbolic of longevity, to be blessed with a good and long life. Now let's start. For the sweet fillings of the Ku Kueh, we need 250 grams of yellow mung beans and 140 grams of sugar. Soak the beans in clean water. Then pour the water out. Cook the beans in a rice cooker with pandan leaf. After that, blend the cooked beans and cook it with high heat. Add some sugar into the beans and stir it until the mixture is thick. Cool the beans and then roll it into small balls. Now we can start making the skin. First, we need banana leaf, pumpkin, mold, 500 grams of glutinous rice flour, oil, steamer, flour, and sugar. Cut the banana leaf and wash it with clean water. Cut the banana leaf into squares and dry it. Apply some oil onto the leaf so that the kueh won't stick on the leaf. Then, cut the pumpkin into small pieces. Cook the pumpkin until it is soft. Squash the pumpkin until the texture is smooth. Keep the pumpkin broth for later. Add glutinous rice flour in a big bowl. Then add 4 spoons of flour, 4 spoons of sugar, pumpkin, and 2 spoons of oil. And then mix it well. Add some pumpkin broth into the mixture. Add food coloring of your choice. I chose to use orange with some red. Mix it all together. Prepare the steamer to cook the Ku Kueh. It's time to make the Ku Kueh. It should look like this. Put it into the steamer and cook it in medium for 10 minutes. Apply some oil on the Ku Kueh so they won't stick together. Trim the excess leaf if you want and it's done.